Hello, this is an open box and installation video for my new TRD Start Stop push button. This just arrived from Japan. I bought it off of eBay. And some nice bubble wrap. And some typical Japanese packaging. There we go. What's this? TRD. This cute little box. Getting ready for track day on Thursday. This should really lower my lap times. That's what we got in here. Nice. There we go. TRD Start Stop. It's pretty lightweight. It's a connector in the back. Looks like it's 8 pins, 8-pin connector. It's pretty light. Race ready. Whew. Okay, so I already got my car somewhat prepped up here. And what I did is I already pulled this panel out. As you can see, it's loose. And I did that earlier because it wasn't very easy to take it out, and it would make a pretty boring video. But basically what I did is I stuck my hand under here, way up under there, and pushed out from the back on both sides at the same time as pulling down here. When you take it out, you can see what's holding it in. There's 6 tabs. There's one here, one there, one there, and then 3 more on the bottom, exactly the same. Pretty basic stuff, but it was kind of a pain to take it out. It took a while. I didn't know if I was going to break something, so I kind of went slow. So I pushed from behind, I pulled from the front. Now we're going to take out this connector. I'm going to pause it. You can see the tab on the bottom there. Squeeze those guys and that should pop right out. That's pretty simple. And this one weighs about 3 grams more than the other one. Maybe not. So the weight is about the same. The only difference is the color. Oh, there's the red one. Snap that guy in there. That doesn't work. Better plug it in. Put that connector back. Oh, that's it. And I put some masking tape down. Somebody else recommended. It's just a good idea. Pretty easy, just to keep it from not from scratching up. And this thing should just snap back in. Wow. Easy. Plug and play. And there we go. So, I'm going to pause again and start her up. There we go. That's it. Pretty simple stuff. Doesn't look like there's a light though. Notice the STI button had a light. Oh, there's a light. That's pretty cool. So I'll have to wait for a nighttime to see it really turn green or not. Oh, there you go. race ready. First turn ready. Good luck.